has launched 3 dashcams in India under series, targeting different driver needs. Models include loop recording, G sensor crash detection, smartphone connectivity, cam app, and an optional parking soft and wiring kits. Entry-level HIVE Dashcam E1 records at 296p Full HD with a 126-degree viewing angle. Features low light optimization, adjusted detection, built-in Wi-Fi, and support for 56GB cards. The camera operates in temperature from minus 70 degrees, including microphone and speaker audio capture. Dashcam M1 upgrades to 2K resolution using a 4-megapixel sensor, widens the field of view to 140 degrees. Built-in GPS log speed, route directly into video files, a 0.96-inch display connections and storage status, voice commands enable hands-free option. 3-axis G sensor automatically protects image clips and a super capacitive heat resistant storage expansion 512. Flagship F1 adds a dual camera system with powered advanced driver assistant system. Include lane departure warning, forward alerts, and front vehicle movement. The front camera records 4K via the 5-megapixel sensor, while the rear camera Full HD. Also, Sterius IMX335 sensor enhances low light performance. The F1 has a 2.4-inch display, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, 180-degree field of view, 512GB support, control, and 24 hours parking monitoring are part of the feature set. E1 is priced at 2,499, the M1 is priced 4,499, and F1 is priced at 9,990. The models are available through Amazon.in and boAt website.